In this presentation, we will learn to find the volume of liquid and to express them with proper units. So if you compare the containers in this image, which has water, by just the sight of it, we may feel that the tall jar holds more volume than the conical flask, but actually it has the same quantity of water, which is 200 ml. So it is the appearance of this jar, the container, which deceive our eyes. So we should actually see the exact volume by using the graduations, the markings, which are usually there, which will be there in the measuring devices, right? So it is because the appearance is deceiving us because the liquids take the shape of the container. They do not have a definite shape. Now we will learn to use these two terms which we will often go wrong. So one is the capacity, the other one is the volume. Suppose if I consider this jug has a capacity of 250 ml. So what do I actually refer to? This jug is designed to hold the maximum capacity of 250 ml. So if I say that the volume of the liquid in the jug is just 125 ml, then I say that the quantity of liquid which is there in the jar is just half of it. So I am referring to the amount of liquid which is present in the jar, which has a capacity of 250 ml. So in the third image, the volume of liquid and the container's capacity is the same. So it is to the fullest capacity. So I hope you are clear with these two terms. So we'll just see the definition of them. The capacity is the amount of liquid a container is capable of holding or designed for holding, whereas the volume is how much a liquid is actually present in the container. So when you write the units for the volume of liquids, we generally use milliliters and liters. So in order to understand, I want you to consider a Rubik cube. So I have the pieces separated for you. So now we know that each cube has a dimension of 1 centimeter. Just think that each cube has a side 1 centimeter. Since it is a cube, all the sides are equal. So if you have to find the volume of this small cube, then I have to use the formula s to the power 3, that is s cube, which is 1 into 1 into 1. So which is equal to 1 cubic centimeter, which is also called as 1 cc. Am I right? So now if I am going to fill this small cube with water, then what will be the volume of the liquid in this? It is 1 ml. So we generally don't use cubic centimeter when we refer to the volume of liquids. So we use, instead of 1 cubic centimeter, we say it is 1 ml. So the water in this cube is actually 1 ml. So if we fill this cube with water, it would hold 1 ml. That is 1 ml is nothing but 1 cubic centimeter. That is 1 cc. Cubic centimeter can also be written as 1 cc. Hope you are clear with this unit. So we know that 1 cubic centimeter is 1 ml. So 1000 cubic centimeter is definitely 1000 ml. So we already know that 1000 ml is 1 liter. So therefore 1000 cubic centimeter is also equal to 1 liter. So I repeat, 1 cubic centimeter is 1 ml and 1000 cubic centimeter is therefore 1000 ml. So 1000 ml we already know it is 1 liter. So therefore 1000 cubic centimeter is also equal to 1 liter. So we use these apparatus to measure the volume of liquids exactly. So this is the graduated jar or cylinder, and this apparatus is a burette, and this is the beaker, and here we have a pipette. So these are the measuring devices, instruments that we use to measure the volume of liquids. So whenever we measure the liquids, the volume of liquids, we have to remember that liquids will not take an exact flat surface. It will have a slight curvature which is called as meniscus, and we are supposed to see that the lower meniscus is in the marking, that is it is at the eye level, so that we will not go wrong in reading the exact volume of liquids. So in order to avoid the parallax error, we should ensure that our eye is at the same level as that of the lower meniscus of a colorless liquid. So this is how you will measure the liquids and express them with proper units using the proper devices which are given here. Hope you followed. Thank you.